It's how houses used to be built until 150 years ago. Kind of a natural building style and complements with straw bale and cob building really well. So I wanted to kind of learn the first piece of building natural buildings. The teachers were great. I feel like they're so knowledgeable but we're so patient and just kind of happy to show you things even multiple times if you forget. So it's nice to feel like you could just pepper the teachers with questions and they were ready, with all the answers. So people that traveled from all over the region was really cool. It takes many hands to do it, so nice to learn from some of the older folks who've done it before, but also kind of be side by side with folks who are doing it for the first time. And a really supportive environment for everyone to come in and learn something wherever they're at. This is my first time at Wild Abundance, and I've been blown away by just the beauty of the mountains and all the wildflowers around, and it's nice to feel that kind of natural and human energy all together.